So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to install WordPress using bootstrapping. In the last video, if you see, if I go to that file, we have installed WordPress manually in an EC2 instance. But in this video, we will talk about how to put all these commands into the EC2-user data script, and let's see how to automate this. Okay, so this commands nothing is new. Everything you guys already seen this. So this one is I'm just declaring the variable, doing a system update, and here I'm gonna install system software for my web and DB. Web is my HTTPD, and DB is MariaDB, and I'm also installing two extra utilities which I call it as wget, and other utility called Cowsay. Then I'm enabling and starting the services, and now also I'm setting the root password. If you see, I'm calling the variable here db root password, which will call from here db root password. Okay, then I'm installing the WordPress, and then I'm configuring the WordPress and changing some permissions, and then I'm creating the WordPress database. And also the Cowsay utility, what this Cowsay utility does is, as soon as you log into instance, it will give a welcome message like this. Okay, so Cowsay is a software. That's what I'm saying. Cowsay is a software where you can modify your welcoming message. So for now, we have put it like animals learning to AMI, something like this. Animals, you can change anything. Okay, for example, welcome to Samir AWS machine, something like this. You can say anything. Okay, then so these are all the things which we are going to do, but in order to do this, I'm going to run this, I'm going to spin up the infrastructure. What this infrastructure does is, this will create a VPC, and this will create all the subnets and everything, but this will not create EC2 instance. Okay, we are going to create EC2 instance, and we are going to paste all these things in the user data. So that's what we are going to do. So in order to do this, let's run this command here, enter. So when you run this command, so it will come up here. So I'm gonna change it like this, bootstrap with bootstrap for Samir, something like this, because I already launched a lot of bootstrapping things, and deletion is in progress, so I don't want to get it confused. So I'm just using bootstrap for Samir, and then I'm just clicking on this. I acknowledge, click on create stack. Okay, what does it say? Member must not certify. Okay, so I have to give a proper name here. So bootstrap number for Samir. Okay, and just scroll down, and then click on create stack. Now the stack is getting created. Bootstrap for Samir is getting created and create in progress. But on the left side, if you see a lot of other things which are in delete in progress, those are all the stack which I created the code, and then I was playing around, and some code was not working, so modified couple of things. So finally this one, bootstrap for Samir, this is going to be our active demo right now. Okay, so if you click on refresh screen, so this will keep on creating your network, VPC subnets and everything, and let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay guys, so what happens here is, if I go to this, where is our CloudFormation stack? I'm just hitting on stack. Okay, so here we go. So this is a stack which we got created. Okay, bootstrap for Samir. So I'm just clicking on this. Now these bootstrap, it has created the not instances, I'm sorry, it has created the VPCs and everything. Okay, so if you go to resources here, if I scroll down, so this is a VPC got created. Okay, so VPC, all the subnets, everything. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to launch an instance right now. Just hit on EC2 instance, and then so there are a lot of instances which is running. Please ignore those things. Maybe in your account it won't be running all these things, it'll be fresh. So I was just playing around with a lot of things here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just hitting on launch instances, free tier only. I'm hitting on Amazon Linux too, and then t2.micro. So here you have to choose a correct VPC. Okay, in which VPC we have to create it, because I already created EB22, right? So here I'll just type EB22 here. Okay, and then hit on enable, and then scroll down, and then here in the subnet you have to choose web A. Okay, so web A. So okay, so make sure that you choose the right VPC. For me, I've chosen EB222. So you can always verify the VPC ID here, and subnet, always choose subnet web A, web application A, US East 1A, and make sure that public IP is enabled, and then scroll down, and here you have to add the user data. So from starting from hash bin bash xe, then scroll down till here. Okay, cow side. So copy this and then paste it here, and then hit on next, add storage, and then add tags. Now you can give name Samir WordPress something, WordPress auto boot script, and then if you hit on next, and then I'm just choosing the already the security group is created, review and launch, and then launch, and then choose proceed without a key pair. I acknowledge launch instances. So let's see, let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so this show's running, but still a status check is initializing. So what I will try to do here is, let me try to go hit on connect here, and then I'm hitting on connect, and let's see whether it's really I can connect or not. Okay, see this, I can connect it, okay, but as soon as you see it, I got the welcome message like this: Amazon Linux to AMI, welcome to Samir AWS machine. So if you remember the Cowsay utility, the Cowsay software which I did it, so what that software does is you can always change the welcome message for your machine. So when you're trying to give this machines to thousands of users, you can give like this: welcome to your company, something like this. We can change it. Okay, so this is good. And okay, what is next right now? So if you go here and then go back, and this is the instance which we launched, and then copying the public IP. Don't go click on this open address that will connect to the HTTPS. Okay, just copy this public IP and open a new tab. Just type http:// enter. Now if you see this, it should get the WordPress installation starting from this. So this is the beauty of the bootstrapping script. I have bootstrapped the entire script to the easy to user data, so I don't need to manually install all these steps. That is, all these steps, whatever I am highlighting here, I don't need to manually install everything. So everything has been done. So whoever launching this instance, they will be getting this setup, and then they have to start typing it. That's it, nothing else. So what you can do is you can launch, and you can make this as an AMI, and you can keep it safe, and then from that AMI you can launch many templates, and then from that launch template you can create many instances like that. So this is a beauty of automating the WordPress installation using bootstrapping, guys. Okay, and also I want to tell you something. For example, if you face any bootstrapping issues or anything not working, what you can do is there is something called cd var log. Okay, before that, I hope you guys are aware, curl http://169 169.254.169.254/latest/user hyphen data. So if you click on it, so this will tell you what all the bootstrap we have given. Correct. So these are all the entire things which we are given. And also there is another file, cd var log. If you go to this folder, ls-l, if you go to this folder, there is a file called cloud-init-output.log. So these two files, it's all related to your bootstrapping. So if you find any issues, bootstrapping is not working, what you do is come to this file and you just do cat cloud-init-output, and then if you hit, okay, I have to go to sudo, and then I'm just typing cat cloud-init-output.log. So here you will see what all the things have been done. These are all the events happened. Okay, so these are all the WordPress things, whatever manually we were doing, all those these files will capture, and these are all the things it got executed. Okay, so you can check this one by one, guys. Okay, so we have done it. We have done the bootstrapping of the WordPress. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you.